How to turn on automatic download on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on automatic download on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on site settings. Scroll down again and you're gonna find automatic downloads. Click on it, and here you can turn off or on this option. You can allow automatic download or block this option wherever you want. And this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.